Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Guru Tech. My name is John Chibike, and so today I'll be showing you a very simple task on how to pin more than 3 chats on your WhatsApp, right? So if you are used to WhatsApp, you have been using WhatsApp, or you just started using WhatsApp, you will know that you cannot pin more than 3 chats, right? Cannot pin more than 3 chats. So today I will show you how you can pin more than 3 chats, and here is example of what I'm saying, right? So if you look closely well in this my chart, you discover that all these charts are all pinned, right? So I pin all these charts so that I can always access them at any time easily without wasting much time. So let's count 1 2 3 4 5, right? So it's more than 5 charts, right? So it's very easy. All you have to do is to pay close attention to the video, right? Is to pay close attention. Please pay very close attention to it so that you get this you get it accurately, right? So let's start. First of all, for those of you that don't know how to pin a WhatsApp chat, for don't know how to pin a pin message, right? To pin messages, so here is how to pin messages. First thing you have to do, just tap on and hold the particular chat. Let's assume I want to unpin this one. This one is already pinned, right? So once from here, this is the unpin button, right? So okay, let's assume I want to pin this particular group, right? So you can see, so over here is to pin, then this other one is this other one is to archive. Archive means to hide. For example, if there are some, if the group is much and you don't want to be disturbance, so you can just archive the chat, right? You can just archive it. And if you want to archive, you can also archive it like this, like why? So anyone you want to archive, just tap on it, then the group will turn back to the normal place supposed to be, to the normal chat. Okay, so let's dive into our main tutorial today. Watch closely. So I have 5 chats here. Okay, this is what you should know. If you want to pin more than 3 chats, this is just the simple logic behind it. If you want to, okay, let me unpin this, let me make this chart 6, let me make it 6, right? So watch closely. So to do that, you have to archive the remaining one. Just leave 2. Always remember to leave 2, like to leave 2. WhatsApp, like I said earlier, WhatsApp allows you to pin just 3 chats, right? So to pin more than 3, you have to follow this. Alright, so watch the process now. To pin more than 3 chats, I want to start explaining from the basic step, right? So I have to pin all the ones that are pinned already. So I'm just left with 3 chats, which is the limit you can pin on a norms in WhatsApp, right? So just watch me process now to pin another chat. To make it 4, this is 3, so you count, this is 3, right? So you count 1 2 3, just press and hold this one. Now to add another one, you have to archive 1, right? So you just have to leave 2, like to leave 2 on click, right? You need to click on 1 like this, so leave the remaining 2 like that. So to do that, now I want to pin this particular chart here. I want to pin this particular chart here, right? So to do that is very tricky. You have to be as fast as you can, right? You need to be very fast. Yeah, you need to be very fast to get this done. If you are not fast enough, we have to repeat the process, right? So that is it. You just need to be fast to do that. So watch me as so the first thing to do, once you are mark the pin one, this one that is pin, then click on archived. Then you click on the one you want to pin. You then click. So alright, so did you notice it? The other one have gone to archived. This one now is not under archive because I was not as fast as I supposed, right? So that is why I said you need to be very fast, right? So I did that to show you. Okay, so let's go now. So let's tap on this. You want to pin this one back. You want to pin this Youth Inspires network back. Okay, so tap on this, then click on archive, then mark this and click on do. Did you see it? It's very fast, so you just need to be fast also. Then let's pin up to 5 charts now. To pin up to 5 charts, count again. This is 1 2 3 4 chart pin. So to pin another one, to add another pin, you have to mark 2. Always remember to leave the 2. Yeah, just leave 2 remaining. The reason why, because you can't pin more than 3, and the reason why you have to add to pin another one, you have to, is as if you are deleting this ones, it's not under pin, right? Then you it's as if you are sending it to archive, but you have to be fast to cancel the archive action you took. Now I want to add this guru mentorship circle. So like this. All right, so did you see it? 1 2 3 4 5. So I've been able to pin about 5 charts. Once you tap on archive, so let me just explain slowly. Once you tap on, right now, let's make this, I want to pin this, the 6th one. This is how you can be going like this, keep going. Any group you want to pin, just keep going this way, right? So let's say, for example, I want to pin another chart. I want to pin this particular chart, this my mentorship group, right? This is my mentorship group. Although this my WhatsApp group, I'm not using it. It's been I'm not used to it, right? This is just my new WhatsApp account I just opened, right? So I want to pin this SGDM mentorship group. To do that, I have to archive about 3. Remember, just mark them. Once you mark them like this, come over here, this archive button, right? So once you mark them like that, come over, locate the group you want to pin. Okay, the group. So watch the process now. Watch it very closely. Archive, fast, pin, undo. Let's check. So can you see the process now? So you just need to be as fast as you can. 1 2 3 4 5 6 chart has been pinned successfully, right? So it's very simple. Remember the process again. If you want to pin another one, you have to count. This 1 2 3 4 5 6 chart. So to pin another chart now, you have to count 4 charts like this. You have to count 4, leave only 2, then repeat the process, archived, yes, pin, undo. So let's take count. Hope you are getting the point here now. So this is it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So like this, you can keep on to pin as many charts as possible. The reason why we are pinning all these charts, so that it will be easier for you to locate, right? To be easier for you to locate. So that is just how to go about it. Remember, if you do not get it, do well to repeat the process. There are times that you will, if you make mistake in any one, you are going back to that normal initial 3. Okay, let me just show you. For example, now I want to pick this my Airtel number, right? I want to pick it, and let me mark this, and this. Okay, so I want to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This is 7. So I have to mark up to 5. I'm just leaving just 2, like this 2 here. I left this 2, right? So I have to mark up to 5. I want to pick this my Airtel number. To do that, remember, if you are not fast enough, you are going to lose everything and you start from the beginning. So click here. Then this is my Airtel number. Can you see? Chat pin. Did you just notice what happened now? Hope you grab the point. So it has returned back to 3, and other ones that I pinned earlier, all of them are come under archive because I was not fast enough to retrieve the process. So that is how to go about this, right? That is how to go about it. So quick recap: to do this, or to pin more than 3 charts, mark 1 if it's under 3, then click on archived, then pin another one on undo, then it has increased to 4. Repeat the same process. If it's 4, if you are pin 4 already and you want to make it 5, mark 2, count 2 and leave 2, then archived, then pin the next. Oh, no, there's a mistake. All right, so just be careful, right? So just be careful. So I believe you have understand the point I'm trying to explain. So if you are here to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button right away and turn on the notification button so that you always get notified whenever I drop a valuable content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.